Yeah, my beautiful daughter. I am actually suggesting that you bring your fiancé to my house for dinner so that we can have dinner together. You understand that I want us to start to get to know, understand each other very well, if you know what I mean.
Daddy, that would be wonderful. But the governor already invited us to a get-together party he's holding this weekend. And he's also requesting for me to be there so he will get to know me.
That's very nice. Actually wonderful. You know what? I am then suggesting you bring him that weekend for the dinner. At least from here, both of you can then go for the governor's party. Listen, I need to apologize to him for what happened the other time. It is right for me to do that, right?
All right, Daddy. I will let him know.
And that's all right, my dear. All right.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Nobody dares me and goes scot-free. You all will go like your father. Nothing will stop it.
My brother, the worst part now is that I have used all the money she gave me before I got deported. I was hoping that the business would progress.
See, I won't ask you. Is she aware that you are deported?
Maybe. Am I mad? I'm going to deport again. My brother, just find some stories, to play with her intelligence. And not be me again.
So what's your plan now that she's about leaving you?
Leave me? Moi? Barry, are you the one saying this? Ozioma, leave me. I am the one meant to leave her, not other way around. For all my years, no girl has ever left me, so her own case will not be different. You understand? I am meant to leave her, not the other way around. You understand? So she is stuck with me. She is stuck with me. She's going nowhere.
Jasper. What is the plan? What is the way forward? Jasper! Jasper the great man. You see why I call you my man? No girl can mess with you.
Who is she? Small girl, why just try to upgrade. Me and her will just mingri more than Angeli. She just won't come begin the one or two.
Jasper, chop knuckle. Chop knuckle. Chop knuckle.
Na my G.
Na normal routine.
Normal
routine.
Nah, the real routine.
Man of the people. Jasper.
For the people and for the people.
Mom, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing, Mom. I don't like it.
Come back here. You will never marry that daughter of a girl. She can never be a part of this family.
Why? What has that girl done to you? What has she done? Even if you don't like her father, it doesn't make her a bad person.
She's even worse than her father. If you don't know, she's worse than her father. In fact, you can't marry her. You will have to kill me first.
Mom, stop now. Huh? Nobody's killing anybody. Just stop. It's okay.
It's not okay until you tell me you are not going to marry her.
How can I say something like that to your mother? I'm in love with Ozioma. I can't tell you that I won't marry her. Mom, come on. Come on.
You must leave her. You must leave that girl. Yes. Did she charm you? Tell her that charm will not work. That charm will not work. Oh! It will not work. It's too small for my son. Yes. You can't marry her.
You're taking this too far, Mama. You're taking this too far. Get up. Get up, please. Mama, you're embarrassing me. What if somebody walks through the gate and sees you here?
What difference does it make? You want to kill me, so I want to make it easier for you. I am not getting up from this ground. I am not.
Mom, nobody's killing anybody now. Get up. Stop talking about death. Nobody's killing anybody. Get up.
Let everybody come and see that my son wants to kill me. Let them come and see.
Mom, stop.
I will not get up from this floor until you tell me you have changed your decision.
How can it? Okay, get up. We'll talk now. At least we're dialoguing. We'll talk.
I will not.
Mom, get up now.
Until you promise me you're not going to marry her, I will not get up.
Hey, what kind of trouble is this now? Mom, get up now. What are you doing on the floor? Get up.
Oh yeah, just kill me so that you can marry her.
Nobody's killing anybody. You're not who disobedient. Get up.
I am not getting up.
Get up first.
I will not.
Get up now. We'll sort it out. Just get up first. Get up. We're dialoguing, so we'll sort it out. Mom, get up.
You want to kill me so that you can marry her now?
I'm not killing you. Get up. Oh, nah. Go. Not the problem if you can. Mommy, get up now.
Ugonna, my princess.
You know you are the only thing I have left in this life. Please stop punishing me this way.
My princess. Adam.
Adam, please say something that I may know that you are alright. You can't continue doing this to yourself over a man that doesn't care.
Father, leave me alone. Leave me, since no one cares about me. Not even you, my father. What do you want to tell me now? Please don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you, please.
Okay, dear. I'll do whatever you ask of me if you will open this door now.
What else can you do for me? No, tell me, Father, what else can you do for me now? When the only man that I have ever loved has left me.
Sweetheart, that he left doesn't mean the world has to end. Stop doing this to me. I know you also love me, and I know you would like me to be alive. Stop tormenting me, please.
Father, don't tell me that, for the world has ended already. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to no one. In fact, I want to die. I don't want to live anymore.
Your mother will not be happy with you. Stop this thing you are doing, please.
Father, I said leave me alone. I want to be left alone. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to.
You are punishing me for another man's sin. And you know there is another person out there who will love, cherish, and honor you. It mustn't be that man you are dying for. He has chosen his path.
I don't want any other man. I already told you people who I want. I don't want any other man. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to no one. Leave me alone. Please
open this door. I promise we will sort this thing out.
Huh? We'll sort it out. Open the door, please.
Well, I must say, indeed, you are a lucky man. And I commend your maturity and your gentility.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well, I gathered both of you are attending the governor's party from here.
Oh yes.
Left for me, I would have said, both of you stay back. You know, we have just had dinner. Let us just stay back and drink something nice here, to push it down. but I understand it's a bit late already and you need to be running along.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Especially for everything. And so and allowing us to do this. Thank you very much, sir.
I want the best for my daughter. And I believe I know the best when I see one.
Yes, sir.
And I somehow believe you are the best. I hope I'm not making a mistake.
You're not making a mistake. I am the best.
I can see the love both of you share.
Yes.
It's absolutely very strong. It's very glaring, and I'm hoping it remains like it.
Of course, sir. We're doing our best to ensure that it remains this way. Right, baby?
Yes, baby.
And one more thing. You see this, my daughter here? She is the only thing I have. And any act of inflicting pain on her is an act of inflicting pain on me. I believe you know what that means.
I understand that, sir.
Good.
Dad, we're running late. Okay, I'll be fine. So we don't miss the party.
I hope you are not forgetting anything.
Oh, no, not at all.
It's all right. You enjoy yourself. Right. I am not going to ask you to extend my greetings to the governor because he may not like it. We understand that.
Oh, Daddy, let's go. Take care, Daddy.
Okay, then.
All right. Bye, Dad.
Have a wonderful, very wonderful outing. Good. Hey.
I love Cassie. I love you so much. And I want to promise you that even in my next word, I will forever love you. As for Ifeyuma, my best friend, she betrayed me. She took away the man I love.
Nika!
If I should die, let me die for love.
Nika, wait! Nika.
Just leave me alone. Go live with him. Why are you acting as though you care?
Nika, I swear. I didn't go to him because I wanted to take him away from you. I did because I saw how much you truly love him and I wanted him to know.
I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything. Did he tell you that?
Yes, he did. He confirmed it to me.
When did he tell you that and you never told me?
I have been trying to tell you, but you never gave me the opportunity to.
Tell me about it. I want to hear everything. You mean Cassie said that to you? Was he serious or was he joking?
You can't joke with a thing like that. He said he wanted to approach you, but he was scared due to rejections from so many girls. So you see, you don't even have to kill yourself.
You mean Cassie said he loved me? And what am I doing here?
Calm down. He needs to come to you and not you going to him. You are the lady here. So, am I forgiven?
Of course, yes. This news is everything to me. Let me go and get something first. I will be right back.
Okay.
Ozioma, you really need to calm down and explain what you're trying to say.
What?
What did she say? Eh? She said something about Okechukwu fainting and rushed to the hospital.
Fainting? Wait. Which Okechukwu are you talking about?
Same Okechukwu you know. The SSA to the governor.
Are you serious? Why will he faint? Hi, such an energetic man. Why will he faint?
Are you asking me that?
Yes.
How do you expect me to know? She just called me and said he fainted, nothing more.
Hi.
What are we going to do now?
Nothing. There is nothing we can do. Ozioma has done the right thing by taking him to the hospital. Let's pray he survives. Yes.
But why would this guy just suddenly faint?
Why will he faint? Eh? Why will he faint? Anne, are you sure this guy didn't take all these useless drugs just to impress your friend on bed and ended up fainting on the arts?
Can you just shut up? Shut up already, please. If you don't have something reasonable to say, just shh. I just shut up.
understand. Oh my God. Oh God. How will you give me a son that will not listen to his mother? How will you give me this kind of a son?
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, please.
Don't you ever talk to me, you this wicked girl. Where is your father? I said, where is your father? Oh, he thinks I don't know he's the one that did this to my son. Eh? See, I am coming for him. Yes, I am coming for him. Now, get out. Get out of this place.
Mama, why? Why? I've been with him since last night. I didn't do anything to him. I love him, so I won't do anything. Mama, please.
You are being a devilish daughter of a devilish man is more than anything. Go and tell your father that I have not finished with him. I am coming for him. Oh, you people think you can kill him before his time? Never!
Oh, Mama, please, stop embarrassing me. Stop it. I didn't do anything to him. I love him so much. Please,
Get
Mama,
away
don't ask me to leave. He needs me by his side. I can't leave him like this. My love.
Leave my son alone and get out!
Mama, please. I know I can never do anything to him, please. Mama, please, let me just stay. My love.
Get out of this place. Are you not hearing me? Get out of this place, oh.
Madam, please, you have to calm down. This is a hospital.
No. You should tell her to get out of this place. She is responsible for whatever has happened to my son. She and her father. They are evil people.
It's all right. I'll leave.
Leave!
Please. Tell him I was here when he wakes.
I will.
What are you still doing?
Sorry.
Nurse, I'll throw her out by myself.
Madam, please, you have to calm down. She was equally sick when they came here. But now she has gotten better, and I'm sure your son will too.
You see, these people, they are evil. They can deceive you, but they cannot deceive me. I am going to deal with all of them.
Madam, calm down.
They poisoned my son. They poisoned him.
How? Stop crying. It's okay. Come and sit down. Come. Hey. What happened? Poison? Hi. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Nothing will happen to him. You hear? It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Huh?
What wrong did I do to them?
Wicked people.
What wrong did I do to them?
You didn't do anything.
Am I the only one in this world?
You didn't do anything.
Am I the only one?
You didn't do anything. They're just jealous. Huh? Nothing will happen to him. Who would want to harm an innocent young man like that? Huh?
I don't know.
You'll be okay. Stop crying.
Did I take anybody's blessing?
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Bezina. It's going to be okay. Nothing will happen to him. Eh? The wicked ones will be brought to shame. They will see shame. Eh? Nothing will happen to him. Stop crying.
Yesterday.
Stop crying.
It was yesterday. He went for a party that they did this to him. Oh, I wouldn't have allowed him. I wouldn't have allowed him to attend that party.
You didn't do anything wrong now. It's not your fault. Huh? He's old enough to go to a party. It's not your fault.
Oh, I tell my husband. Oh, will I tell my late husband if anything will happen to him?
Nothing will happen to him. He'll be okay. Oh? Nothing will happen to him. He's going to be okay. Huh? Nothing will happen. He'll be fine. It's okay.
Mamoka, I hope you know I have been monitoring you every step of the way. Because I am waiting for good news. Have you done it?
Why are you so wicked, Chief? So you also poisoned the son? That handsome, nice, generous young man? I mean, why do you want to wipe out an entire family?
It is not your business what I decide to do. You know it yourself. What will happen to you if you fail to do what you have been instructed to do? And let this be the very last time you will ask this useless question you just asked now. Don't try it again.
You are so vile.
I know. But I need you to understand I am not the only one involved in this. Remember, you have just today, only today, to do exactly what you have been instructed to do. Wicked
man, you will die a shameful death. Wicked, evil man.
Jasper, why are you doing this to me? Why are you pointing the axe on my head?
Listen, I am pointing this at you because I am going to kill you here. Ozioma, I will smash you without a trace. Oh, you feel you can break up with me and I will let it go like that?
No,
eh?
no. Jasper, I'm sorry. These are little things we can amend. Please.
Ozioma, I saw you both yesterday. I wanted to kill you both there. But I realized that the young man has not wronged me yet.
Hey, Jasper, you should not be thinking towards that direction. This is things we can overcome.
Listen, let me tell you. We are not overcoming anything. For you have already crossed the line. Now, close down your eyes. Come on, close your eyes.
Hey, Jasper, hold on, wait. Let me tell you. Last night, I just discovered that I am pregnant. I'm carrying your child.
You are pregnant?
Yes.
You think you can blackmail me with pregnancy?
No.
Huh?
No.
Huh? You think telling me that you are pregnant will stop me from killing you here?
Hey,
Listen, close your eyes. I'm going to... Come on, Michelle.
Jasper, please now, please. I am not lying. This is new era of medical science. We can know the paternity of the child. Please. He or she's yours. This is your baby. I swear of my life. Please, Jasper, please don't kill me.
Ozioma, are you carrying my child?
Yes, I'm carrying your child. Please don't kill me.
Now, listen to me. If I find out that you are playing pranks with me, I will squeeze life out of you.
That's why I swear to God, I'm not lying. This baby is yours.
You're not lying.
No, I'm not.
What is it? Hey, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Hey, so I'm really sorry. How is my baby doing? So I'm going to become a father.
Yes.
Hey.
You're meant to be a father.
Why did you drag me? Listen, I swear you will not get away with this.
Watch me do it. You are evil. Go to her.
What are you going to do now? This is a big time mess.
I don't know.
Don't tell me you're planning to put this on Okechukwu.
The way I'm looking at it now, it may be the only option.
Are you serious?
Yes. I cannot allow that pig be the father of my child. No, no way.
But you should have thought about this before letting him into your laps.
Enough, please. Let me think. The problem right now is that Okechukwu has not even touched me for a long time.
Girl, I am definitely not going to be a party to this. Calm me out.
Have you ever been supportive to me ever since we became friends? This is what you've always wanted to happen to me. You've always wanted to see me in a mess. So I am not even surprised. I'll sort myself out.
How can you talk like this? Why would you think that I don't support you? I just don't want you making mistakes all the time. I am the only person that will tell you the truth.
It's okay. This is not what you're supposed to be telling me now. This is not good. You're not being fair to me.
But you know I don't talk off the point. I just simply tell you the truth. And that's what you don't like. You don't like the truth.
You don't know anything about the truth. So I would appreciate it if you just shut up. Allow me to think.
I am glad to see you like this. Everyone was almost getting very agitated, you know.
Thank you, Doctor. Can I confide in you about something?
I do not know exactly what you want to say. But I still believe this is not the time. You're weak and you need rest.
Yeah, I understand that. Considering the fact that I've been unconscious for a long time, I understand. I don't see my mother here. Where is she?
Oh, she left for prayers or something. We decided not to intervene in her religion. We simply decided to do our work. Yeah.
You said that I was poisoned?
Yeah, yes, you ate something poisoned. And the poison has stayed in your system for 2 hours. Assuming you stayed additional 1 hour, you've been a dead man by now. Thank God you're still alive.
So am I okay now? Am I fine? Am I strong enough to go?
Yes, you are. You see, the delegation from the governor came here this morning.
Oh, they did?
They even wanted to take you to another hospital. But we were able to convince them that you are very okay and you are responding to treatment. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How about my fiancée? Is she here?
I do not know who your fiancé is. Except, unless you're talking about the one your mom sent out of the hospital this morning.
Why? Why would my mother do something like that?
Now, my friend, you see, you are not yet strong enough to stress yourself on anything. You need rest. I'll be in my office right now. I'll be in my office. I'll see you later. Thank you. Thank you.
Why didn't I think of it? Telling Annie that I am pregnant for Jasper is very wrong. She can use that against me. Why didn't I think of this? Oh my word. No. No.
How are you faring now?
A little better. I just have some burning, sensations in my stomach.
So sorry about that. Don't worry. I've set all the machineries in motion. We must get to the root of this and fish out those responsible for this evil act. Okay?
Thank you.
Just promise me that you'll be a man and struggle to leave.
I promise you.
Okay, I have a discussion with the doctor. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Mom?
Thank you so much, my princess, for your concern. I really do appreciate it.
Oh, I appreciate it. All right.
Son, your father didn't win because he was destined to die. But I know you are not destined to die before getting married and reproducing children. You will win this battle and come out better. Okay?
Thank you, Mom.
They poisoned you to finally send me to an early grave, but they won't succeed. They will not.
It's okay, Mom. That's okay. I'll stop assuming that it's poison, okay, even if it is. Have you thought that it could be food poisoning? These assumptions are negative thoughts going through your head is not good.
I know. Is it not you again? You will not believe me. You will keep vouching for people you don't even know, even at the point of your death. When will you ever stop, Okechukwu?
It's fine, Mom. Let's not argue.
It's all right. I'll go and get some food for you to eat. Please, don't collect food from anybody, no matter who the person is.
It's fine, Mom. I'm not even hungry.
You will be hungry when you perceive the aroma of food. Please, my son,
Thank you, Mom.
Be strong for the family, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Alright. So be back.
Mom.
Please be careful. It's alright, my son. It's alright. I'll be fine. Please.
If you say that the poison has been in his system 2 hours before he was rushed here, that means it wouldn't have been at the governor's party he got poisoned.
I am not in a position to say exactly where the poison came from. But from what we found, the poison has been in his system for 2 hours before he was brought here. So it is left for you and the other family member to trace his movement to ascertain the exact place the poison was administered.
I think I remember something now. You should call the mom.
Why?
She has something to tell us. She was saying something about telling the son not to go somewhere. So I think she should have something to tell us about her movement.
All right.
I'm so sorry for my intrusion. My name is Nedu. I am Okechiko's friend.
Okay.
Tell me, how is my friend doing?
Oh, we thank God. He's awake.
Oh, thank God. So, can I see him now?
Oh, please do.
Like, now?
Yes. He's in Ward 4, by your left.
Thank you.
Please.
And you must be the princess.
How did you get to know I'm the princess? Anyway, nice to meet you.
Well, the pleasure is all mine. Let me see my friend.
Please do.
Listen, I think we should speak to the mom. Yes. She can tell us where he went to before the party with the governor.
My princess, why don't we leave this? Until the patient is fully recovered. Huh? Then we can ask him questions. It's only him that can give us the answers we need. You see, because right now, he is not suitable enough to answer questions.
I don't think it's the right thing to do. Why wait till then when we can actually start up something?
Anyway, if you insist, but I don't want my patient to be stressed.
Your patient is not going to be stressed. We're doing the right thing, remember? We're all doing this for his well-being. Okay, I'll just have to be on my way now. Please start something already.
Wait.
Thank you. All right.
What is this? Oh, what happened to the soup I prepared this morning before leaving the house? Oh, what kind of trouble is this now? I think I need to go and buy food for my son.
I still stand my ground, Biko. I cannot go and be asking a man out. Where did such acts land our princess now?
I wonder.
My sister, even the man went after another girl.
Whether he left her or not is not my business. The truth is that there is nothing wrong with anyone speaking up his or her mind. Do you know how many people that have died of heart attack because they couldn't speak up?
Please, the two of you should go and get married. I am tired of you both arguing over nonsense.
Nneka, this one you're not saying anything. Hope all is well.
Please, nobody should drag her into this nonsense argument.
It's because she knows what I'm saying is the truth.
What truth?
Yes.
The fact that I allowed you both to be talking nonsense. How can you say supporting a woman to ask for a man's hand in marriage is the truth? Please just shut up already.
As for me, I'll go after any man I love. I don't need stress, Biko.
See who is talking. Maybe when you're embarrassed, you will know.
There's nothing like embarrassment there. It is either he accepts or not.
Supported. And that is what I am going to do right now.
I thought you're not talking.
I speak only when the need arises.
What is wrong with Nneka today? This is unlike her.
My sister. Maybe her love has not proposed to her. Gossips. Is it a must that someone must always have strength to gossip with you people? Please let me go after my friend.
Go, bye-bye.
Go. My sister.
My sister.
As I was saying.
Please, I will do anything you ask me to do. Please, please don't leave me, please. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I'm sorry. I've changed.
Why did you not bring the money? You know I need it, Chidera. You said you love me, yet you cannot give me the money I ask you for. You cannot make any sacrifice for me. And that is not love.
Hey, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
TK. Chidebere, I'm sorry. What are you doing? So you can beg a man? I thought you said you can't do that. Hey! Wonders shall never end.
And when will you girls learn to mind your business?
I wonder.
Did you know what we are discussing here? See, I am going.
Hey, please don't leave me. Don't mind them. Please don't leave me. I'm sorry. I swear, I'll bring the money.
You'll bring the money?
I'll bring the money.
Okay. Until then, just get the money first. Once you get the money, everything is good.
Hey, TK. Hey, Obim. Because then...
Did you see that? Later she'll be for me. My sister, I'm still in shock. Just imagine, almighty Chidebere begging a man. Not just a man but DK. I still can't believe what my eyes just saw. Just so you can see things for yourself. Please, which way did they go? I guess that way. They followed that way. I must watch this drama till the end. I'm following you, Biko.
You know, I am still shocked.
About what?
Even in this your near-death experience, the one you call babe is still not here.
What? I asked her now. I called her. But you think I didn't call? I called.
Okay.
She told me that my mother threw her out of this place and told her not to come back.
And then she left without any hesitation.
What was she supposed to do, Chinedu? What was she supposed to do? Fight my mother?
You see, in as much as I don't really want to talk about this or bring this topic because of the situation of things now, but I can't help but say my mind.
Thank you very much, sir. You have said your mind. Thank you. We can change this topic. I am hungry. Thank you. Nedu, thank you. Huh? Thank you.
It's alright. The topic changed. I thought you said your mom was bringing food for you.
Yeah, because I don't understand the delay now. She said she will be here and she's not here. I'm hungry. She usually does not delay. And then why you came here empty-handed? Why didn't you bring food?
I'm so sorry.
Mama, you're welcome.
I didn't intend to waste too much time. Do you know I even went to buy this food?
You went to buy what food? What are you talking about? You told me yesterday you cooked. What happened to the one you cooked?
My son, you can't believe it. The soup I prepared this morning before leaving the house that was in the pot already got soured.
How? What happened?
I don't understand it.
That is strange.
By the way, I've already bought food, eh?
Thank you.
So, what about the princess?
She is already investigating the matter. I was actually waiting for you to come before I join her.
Oh, that's very good.
So, Mama,
Anna,
I need to take my leave.
Won't you even eat at least?
Mama, food is not important for now.
Well, he's not hungry. He ate before coming here. Let him go.
We have to get to the root of this first before things get worse.
Kinedu, you can go.
Okay?
Of course,
please
that's
eat.
important.
You can go.
All right.
I'll see you later.
All right, Edna. Take care.
I'll call you.
Okay, Chuku.
Mommy.
Get up and eat.
Oh, my weight jaw. Wait, my back is...
What do you mean?
My back aches.
The same food you dismissed your friend because of is what you're telling me you don't want to eat.
But I'll eat it now. I didn't dismiss it because of food. I dismissed it because he was
okay, Chuku, get up
crying
and
too much and asked him to Better question. You can be a big sometimes.
This boy, you can never change. Get up and eat.
Give me water, please. Water.
Always as stubborn as his father.
Why can't this woman allow me to enjoy my man?
What the hell do you think you are doing? What are you doing here? Were you not the same person I ordered to leave and never come back?
Mama, please, not again. I am here to see my fiancé. Can we at least do without this drama? Please.
Who is your fiancé? Eh? Who is your fiancé? My son?
Yes. Your son and I are in a relationship. And he means the world to me.
Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. Oh, when will you ever wake up from this your worthless dream? Now listen to me. Read my lips. My son will not marry you. I've been telling you this and you have chosen not to believe me. Look, I am his mother. And I know the kind of woman I want as a daughter-in-law. Now for the second time in one day, get out of this place. Get out before I bring the right authorities.
Mother, why are you doing this to me? What did I even do wrong?
I am securing my son's life. That is why I am doing this.
Why are you associating me with evil? I am not going to be harmful to your son. I love him.
But you're doing that already. Are you not the devilish daughter of a devilish man? Eh? Oh, you think you can kill my son? Never.
Mother, whatever it is you have with my father has nothing to do with my relationship with your son. Okay? He loves me and we cannot do without him.
Shut up! Shut up! Come, are you equally stubborn or what? I am telling you what to do and you are here arguing with me.
I am not arguing with you. I am not. Can you please allow me to see him? Please.
Now swear. Swear on the engine of your car that it was not your father who sent it to come and check if he's still alive.
Mother, how can you think so low of me?
Because your father is a murderer. And a murderer begets a murderer. Oh, you think I don't know is the plan between you and your father?
Mother, why are you doing this to me? I don't like these things you're saying.
Really? I have not even started. Yes, I have not started. You better get out of this place before you see the other side of me. Get out! I said you should get out. Leave now! Silly thing. You think you can kill my son? Not when I'm alive. Stupid girl. Nonsense. Let me ever see her leg close to my son again.
So cruel. What did this poor woman do to me? Oh, God.
Mom! Mom, what is wrong with you? Why are you crying? Is Okechukwu okay?
My daughter is my best friend.
What happened?
My best friend has been murdered, though. She has been murdered. My best friend, the only one I can trust. She's the one that does everything for me. Comes around to keep me company most of the time.
Are you kidding me? I'm so sorry about that, Mom. How did it happen?
I don't know. I was just informed that her body was found lying along the roadside. I thought it was a lie. Because there was nothing wrong with that the last time we saw. Only for me to get there and found out that it was the truth.
Just like that? Too many abnormal things are not happening in Amanato. Who could have done a terrible thing like that?
I don't know. So far, nobody knows anything.
Oh my goodness. Mommy, it's okay, please. You don't have to start crying like this. I don't want you to fall sick, please. It's okay. Alright?
I don't even know what is happening now. I feel like my world is about to come to an end.
No, Mommy. Do not say a thing like that. Your world is not coming to an end. Don't say that. Listen, Mom, you have to calm down. Your son needs you now more than ever, remember? Please. I am so sorry about your friend.